Hi, my name is Jackie. I'm the owner of Abbott Florist, and every year we design the centerpieces for Wigs and Wishes. I got involved in Wigs and Wishes through Martino Cartier. He's a longtime friend of mine. His vision for this cause was just contagious to me. I just wanted to be part of it. I like to be creative. A lot of times when you work in flower shops, you do the same things, and I'm always looking for something different. When I see a different flower, when I see a different technique, if I see different textures, I gotta have it, I gotta touch it, I wanna work with it. That's when I really am the happiest, when I do different things. The other day I was in the hair salon with Martino. I was looking around and I saw all these mannequin heads, and that's where I started thinking about maybe we can do something with a mannequin head, make a wig out of flowers. It would be such a good connection. I decided to use roses and limonium and hydrangeas for a more garden look, for something a little bit more vintage. And then I used calla lilies, orchids, big tie leaves for more of a tropical look, something more avant-garde. I just wanted everybody to look at these mannequins and think, oh, that looks like me. Working with Wigs and Wishes has taught me a lot about children with cancer, and I see their strength, and I see how much strength they give everybody else. When Martino grants these children these last wishes, because that's what they are, last wishes, there's nothing more beautiful than see a child's smile. I am really proud to be part of Wigs and Wishes. There's no better feeling than the feeling of giving.